This process is going to walk you through taking a Microsoft Word assessment and importing it into ExamView. To start with, the first thing you need to know, you cannot have instructions on the Word document itself. As you see, I have no instructions here. From here, the first thing on my assessment is the title. You'll see Unit 3 Assessment is my title. After that, I will have all my questions, but I need to break my questions down by question type. You'll see I have my multiple choice, I've got my true false, and I've got a multiple response. They do need grouped together. I can't separate and move them around. My multiple choice, as you can see, are labeled here. It says multiple choice, and then I've got my first multiple choice question in there in this specific format. It does have to have the question followed by the answer choices. Directly below the answer choices, you will see I've got A and S, B. The answer is B. This is the correct answer. I need to do the same for each multiple choice question to denote what the answer is. For your true false questions, you'll see that the answer is true or the answer is false directly below the question. And then multiple response questions, you can see the answer is spread out because it's multiple letter choices. Once I have the test formatted correctly, my next step is to export it into what's called a rich text format, or RTF file. ExamView will only accept that format. So within Word, it's very simple. Just go to File, go to Export. Underneath Export, it's got a command that says Change File Type. And one of your commands in here under Other File Types is Rich Text Format. I'm going to click Rich Text Format. I'm going to say Save As. It's going to ask me where do I want to save it. All I need to simply do is locate where do I want to save this to. I'm going to save this one here, and I'm going to save it. It might prompt you about some questions on here. Just, yeah, I'm good with that question. Not a big deal. Now that I've saved as an RTF, I need to close my RTF file, and I'm going to start next by going to my ExamView import utility. So I'm going to click on Start. I'm going to scroll to my e-instruction folder, and I will locate ExamView import utility. When this opens up, it's going to start with this wizard that I simply just have to hit Next. On the second step, I click on this yellow folder between the two boxes because I need to locate my RTF file. So I click on that yellow folder. It's going to allow me to browse to wherever I save that file. I put mine there. I'm going to say Select. There's my file. So I can select that file, moves it down to the bottom, and now I just simply hit Next, 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 and finish, and let it finish the activity, the import. When it imports, you will get a little feedback here. It says it imported 6 questions, 2 are true or false, 3 were multiple choice, 1 was multiple response. The import has completed. I can now close this program. Where did all that go? Well, now I need to simply go to my ExamView test generator. When I open up my ExamView test generator, and I'm going to create, in this case, I'll start with using the wizard. And here's my demo. And you will now see here's my assessment that I just imported. I can select it, Next. I'm going to choose all of my questions and finish. And there is all the stuff that I imported along with the answer key.